Hey everyone, Joshua14 back with a first look at the Surface Pro 7 here at the Microsoft Store. And just to show you really quickly the spec sheets, they have an i3 this year, 10th gen dual core for $749, 10th gen i5, $899 for the 128 gig model, $1199 for the 256, which is probably what I'm going to get. The i5 and i7 both have Iris Plus graphics this year. And here you have the poppy red keyboard. Not much has changed as far as the look and feel of it, as well as the new stylus they just made in the new colors, but it still has the same sensitivity and all that kind of stuff. But I did want to get the specs on the i5. Here's the 1035 G4. It's a quad core with 8 threads. Windows 10, and then the Iris Plus graphics up here. We don't have the actual specs yet, but obviously it's using shared memory as well, so you're going to want at least, well, the base models now have 8 gigs, which is great. So that's the model I think I'm going to pre-order, guys, and then maybe move up to the i7 to see how much different that spec bump is going to be. So because the base i7 is $1499, but it comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 256, which is nice. So for that $300 extra, you do get 8 more gigs of RAM with the i7. So all right, guys, this has been the first look. We do also have the USB-C ports, which is not Thunderbolt, but it's still able to charge the device and do data and video. And then they did upgrade the power brick. It's actually going to be 65 watts for fast charging, but all the same buttons and everything like that. Still the nice kickstand and still the micro SD on the back as per usual. So it's the same old Surface, but just upgraded specs and a couple of other new features. So we're definitely going to be pre-ordering the i5 first, and stay tuned for more content, guys. Take care.